Keep paint off carpet by controlling drops and dust from the start. Start by creating a secure perimeter with layered protection. First, tuck a 6 to 8 inch strip of painter's tape along the carpet edge where it meets the baseboard. Then lay a thin felt or adhesive carpet protector over the carpet and finish with a breathable canvas drop cloth on top to catch drips. Work in short sections of 3 to 4 feet so you can maintain wet edges and avoid long stretches where paint can drip or tack up. Use a small angled sash brush for the top edge against the wall and a high-density foam mini roller for the face of the baseboard to minimize splatter. Load brushes and rollers conservatively by wiping excess on the tray lip. Keep the paint tray on a low, wide board or a plastic tray caddy placed over the drop cloth to prevent tipping when you lean or reach. Place a damp microfiber cloth and a bucket of soapy water within arm reach for immediate cleanup. Organize tools on a portable caddy or apron so you never set a loaded brush on the carpet. When you need to rest a brush, use a disposable brush rest or a piece of cardboard on the drop cloth. Between coats, wrap brushes and rollers in plastic wrap to prevent them from curing if your break will be less than 1 hour. For longer waits, clean them thoroughly and recondition with a little paint conditioner before reuse. Common mistakes include using only a single thin cloth that shifts and exposes carpet, so add a non-slip layer and tape edges firmly to stop movement. Another issue is overloading the brush or roller, which causes drips that travel down into the carpet. Load less paint and drag the brush along the tray lip to control buildup. A final frequent problem is setting tools directly on the carpet when taking breaks, which leaves dots and dried smear marks. Always rest tools on a board, cardboard, or a disposable surface and clean spills immediately with a damp microfiber and mild detergent. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local painting and home improvement professionals while letting contractors list their services and find new jobs. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and trade real-world solutions about carpet-safe baseboard painting and related cleanliness practices.